Guys, so in today's video I'm going to be reviewing some vitamin E products by the Dermaco. I recently tried these products and I absolutely love them. Usually people assume that Dermaco only makes products either for oily skin or for acne prone skin, but that's not true. They have products for dry skin as well. So I'm going to be reviewing both of these products. The first one is their 4% vitamin E face serum. And the second one is 3% vitamin E face moisturizer by the Dermaco. Firstly, I'm going to be reviewing the vitamin E serum. Now this contains 4% of vitamin E. I absolutely love the fact that Dermaco discloses the percentage of active ingredients in their products. That way I know exactly what I'm putting on my skin. Also, I tried this and it worked really well. It was really effective on my skin. It was really safe as well. I didn't see any side effects whatsoever. Also, since this contains vitamin E, it's not just hydrating, it's not just nourishing for the skin, but it also helps in repairing your skin. I learned this from Dermaco's masterclass, which I recently took up. It was very informational. They shared a lot of information about active ingredients. So if you get a chance to attend that masterclass, definitely do so. So this contains 4% of vitamin E, and along with that it also contains olive extract. And when I checked the back of the product, that is the ingredient list, this contains castor oil, this contains honey extract, this contains glycerin, and this is actually very hydrating. This is more hydrating than the cream itself. Let me just give you a swatch of this. So I'm just gonna apply like 1 drop of this on my hand. And as you can see, my skin looks so moisturized. It looks extremely moisturized, and it's a very thick serum. It's not like one of those water based serums. It's a very thick oil based serum. Because it's so thick, because it's so deeply moisturizing, they recommend you use this only at night, and all you need is just 2 or maximum 3 drops for your entire face. So let me just give you a demo of it. I used 3 drops of this, and now I'm just going to blend that out. This smells somewhat like olives. It doesn't have a fragrance or anything. It doesn't have those added fragrances, added perfumes or anything, but it's just got the smell of the ingredients that they have used, like the natural fragrance. Let me just give you a close-up of my skin. As you can see, my skin looks so hydrated. It looks so nourished. It looks so plump and healthy. This is exactly what this vitamin E serum does to your skin. So it's great for dry skin, it's great for the winter time, and yeah, if you're looking for a good very nourishing, very hydrating serum to try out for the winter season, this is the one that I highly recommend. If you have oily to combination to normal skin, you can just apply the serum and get done with it. But if you have dry skin or extremely dry skin, then you want to top it off with a vitamin E moisturizer. So the second product that I'm reviewing is this 3% vitamin E face moisturizer. Now this contains 3% of vitamin E, and along with that this also contains lactic acid. Now lactic acid is a very mild and gentle exfoliator. It helps to exfoliate dry and dead skin off your face, and while it's going to exfoliate all of the dead skin, vitamin E is going to help to hydrate your skin and prevent the formation of more dead skin on your face. So it's going to keep your skin looking young, healthy, and just new in general. Now let me give you a swatch of this moisturizer. So I'm just taking like a pea size amount. Even though it has a really thick consistency, it's very lightweight. It gets absorbed into your skin in absolutely no time, and it really moisturizes your skin. So this is great to be applied during the daytime, during the night time, or both times if you need it. And this is actually great for all skin types. All skin types can use this. But if you have dry skin, I recommend a combination of the serum as well as the moisturizer. You want to wash your skin first, apply the serum, and then top it off with the moisturizer. It's going to be a very hydrating, a very moisturizing combination, especially for dry skin, especially during the winter season. This Dermaco moisturizer also contains some really nourishing ingredients like argan oil, glycerin, vitamin E, etc., which are so moisturizing for the skin. And after using a combination of the serum as well as the moisturizer, this is how my skin looks like. And as you can see, it looks so plump, it looks so dewy, and at the same time it doesn't look greasy or dull or anything like that. It just looks really healthy. So if this is the kind of skin that you desire, especially during the winters when your skin becomes really dull, dehydrated and dry, then I highly recommend a combination of both of these vitamin E based products by the Dermaco. They are great, they are amazing for dry skin. If you have very dry skin, I highly recommend using both of these products, one on top of the other. But if you just have like normal to dry skin, if your skin just becomes dry sometimes, you can use either of the two. They are really good. The vitamin E serum is however more thick and more rich than the cream, and this can only be used during the night time, whereas the moisturizer can be used during the day as well as during the night time. So yeah, you can pick any of these up according to what your skin needs, and they are both available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, and also on Dermaco's website. So yeah, that was my review on these vitamin E based products by the Dermaco. They are great for dry skin, they are great for the winters, and I highly recommend you check them out. So if you found this review helpful, please hit the like button, and also in case if you end up trying these products out, do let me know in the comments below how they work out for you, and if you have any holy grail products that work amazingly for your dry skin, then let me know that as well in the comments below. I would love to try some more products out. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.